The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Boone County and north central Illinois, northern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, northern Kane County and northeast Illinois, southern McHenry County and northeast Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:25 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from McChesney Park to Cherry Valley to 7 miles west of Kirkland to Hillcrest, and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kingston around 9:40 p.m., Juneau around 9:45 p.m., Sycamore and Cortland around 9:50 p.m., Hampshire around 9:55 p.m., Marengo and Maple Park around 10 o'clock p.m., Elburn around 10:05 p.m., Woodstock, Sleepy Hollow, Hunley and Gilbertson around 10:10 p.m., Lakewood, West Dundee and Elgin around 10:15 p.m. This is an extension of the previous warnings for DeKalb and Boone counties. These storms have a history of producing damaging winds. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.